Assembled in Wichita, Kansas from aluminum and powder-coated cast iron, GPRO V-Series pumps are our newest generation of high-output, high-pressure fuel transfer pumps. The GPRO V35 is built for commercial users who need to reliably fuel large construction and agricultural equipment. V35 is designed and configured for diesel blends up to B20, gasoline up to E15, and kerosene, and is typically mounted on medium to large stationary fuel tanks. With a high flow and pressure of 35 gallons per minute at up to 24 psi, V35 maintains peak performance in rugged, high-pressure installations, supporting a variety of accessories, including meters, filters, and hose reels. Our GPRO series of pumps are robust and built to last, so you can depend on V35 to keep your operation running at the toughest job sites and through the harshest weather conditions. We have also equipped V35 with many unique features to increase reliability and safety while improving ease of use. V35 features thermal overload protection that will keep the pump from overheating while running in bypass. If excess heat buildup is detected, V35 will automatically shut down, protecting the pump from damage. The GPRO series of pumps is built with carbon vanes that create less friction during operation than bronze or plastic vanes, increasing efficiency and decreasing maintenance over the life of the pump. V35 is also designed with an easy-access strainer that prevents debris from entering the pump and a convenient nozzle hanger that protects the nozzle from damage and debris. V35 is equipped with an integrated switched accessory circuit for powering a fuel management system, automated valve, indicator light, or other accessories automatically when V35 is activated. V35 also comes in an extreme temperature model capable of operation in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit to keep operations running in even the most extreme weather conditions. If an operation requires the installation of an anti-siphon vacuum breaker to prevent accidental fuel loss or to comply with regulations, V35 is tapped and ready to receive our optional vacuum breaker kit. To install, remove the plugs from the port on the pump and the tank adapter, then connect the flexible hose between the two ports. A QR code is also conveniently located on the side of every V35 fuel pump. When you scan the QR code with your smartphone, you'll be taken to our My Pump web app. Here you'll find links to the owner's manual, installation videos, links to buy spare parts and accessories, and a phone number to call our product support team. All GPRO pumps are 100% full load tested at the factory and backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty, so you can have confidence that when you buy from Great Plains Industries, your operation will run smoothly for years to come. Thank you for choosing GPRO.